Hello there, here I am again. I'm catching up on my videos. I've decided to leave the kitchen for a wee while.
Well, hello there. I just had to pop onto your screen because I have a special announcement.
You didn't really believe me, did you? Me out of the kitchen. No, it'd be just like me saying I don't like my woman cave. Jim, from Jim's Kitchen. Now, he's a fun cook. It's amazing the things that he puts online. Every now and then he invites me to collaborate with him on a video. And he's done that again. He sent me a list of particular dates and I've chosen for soufflé. Now, it's been a while since I made some, and I've also made them with asparagus, and you can do all sorts of flavours, but, well, I've chosen for soufflés, and it'll probably be a cheese one, but who knows? Might be anything. So keep your eye on the soufflé day. It'll be coming up this month. The date, do I have a date? Yes, I have a date. Do you want a date? All right, it's a 20-something, you'll have to check it out, 20-something of February. So thanks for the shout out, Jim, and look forward to working with you.